Hey everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm doing your third week of November read start from the 15th through the 21st of November 2021. This reading is going to be for the sign of Capricorn. So let's see what is coming up for Capricorns for this week time. Starting today, I will be adding oracle cards. I will be putting out some extra messages as well from the divine. So yeah, just stay tuned. And before I dive into the read, let me remind you, it is a general read. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the signs and messages that resonate and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also check out other services that I offer as well in the description box. So yeah, let's see Capricorns. What can you expect coming up for you for this week time? Let's see what is coming up for you guys for this week time, Capricorns. Let's begin. Five of Cups, there is something that you are unhappy about. There's a lot of emotional attachment to that situation. But yes, you're sad, you're feeling like, maybe nothing can be worked out in this situation. Um, it's more like, you just need to change your focus to something desirable than to be focusing on what the 3D reality is right now, what the current situation is right now. As you turn your focus to something beautiful that you desire, you will stop thinking about things that are not working, things that have not worked, and you will be able to start being hopeful again, all over again, I would call it. So it's very important for you to stop thinking about what didn't work, what made you feel bad, whatever happened that wasn't like in your greatest interest. Stop thinking about the things that are causing you feel negative, and start thinking about what would you like right now. What would it be that you would like to see for yourself in your love life, work life, home life situation. Bring your focus to those things. So first thing that is going to do with as you switch your focuses, you're going to start feeling good, positive, hopeful, and excited for future as well. Whatever has happened. You cannot change that. You can definitely change your current and future. So make sure you work on that. Let's see more cards here, Capricorns. Five of Swords. I feel like you are going to be strongly coming out of it with a better version of yourself, where you're going to be trying to figure things out for yourself. What are the things that you were doing wrong? What are the things that you need to focus on? What are the things that you need to let go of? What are the patterns that you might have been following, which was basically blocking you? So I do see you coming out of all the sadness as a stronger you, as a person who now believes that yes, they can have something better. Now they believe, now somebody who believes that yes, when I could win over my fears, my doubts, my I could change my pattern of thinking, I can definitely get something beautiful for myself as well. So I do see you coming out of that sadness as a stronger person, somebody who would know that the power that you have from within is matchless, is something that you cannot take for granted, and you really need to use that power to manifest the life that you desire, rather than thinking about what didn't work out well for you, because that has happened already. You need to bring your focus to something that you desire, and I feel like you will be understanding that within a couple of days time, and then you will start working towards what you need to focus on right now. Let's see more cards here. Wow, this is what you need to focus on. What is it that you desire? A happy home life with your specific someone, a financial abundant life that you'd seek for yourself, for your family members. So rather than thinking and wasting your time and energy thinking about not so positive things, bring your focus to the things that are happy, that are making you feel grateful. uh, the more you're focused on the things that you are grateful for, the more you will attract more reasons to be grateful for. So try to do that, try to practice that for yourself, and you will see, especially if it is something that is causing you pain, suffering right now, which is not working well in your love life. You really need to start focusing on the things that you're happy about, things that are moving forward in your life. As you do that, as you bring your focus to the things that are moving forward, that are happy, that are exciting, that is, that adds to your happiness, that makes you feel good about yourself, about your current situation, you will see that something that was bothering you in your love life will also start moving forward in the right direction. So try that for yourself. Let's see more cards here. Nine of Swords. Be open to receive some sort of guidance, messages coming through your dreams as you move along in this week time. I do see that, especially if you're concerned about certain things regarding a specific someone in your love life. um, you will be picking up some signs and messages coming from your person, especially if you have broken up recently, if you have ended something recently with your person. Some sort of divine message is going to come through around that situation. Maybe you are going to see your person in your dream who's going to tell you what do they truly feel for you. Maybe they are hiding right now. Maybe they are also sad and disappointed in this situation. Maybe they want to say something. Maybe they want to come forward, express their love, feelings, emotions to you. But they are not coming forward. So maybe they are going to communicate to you through telepathic and try to tell you how do they truly feel for you. So there is going to be a lot of synchronicity that is going to come along. If you see your person in your dream, if you see or hear their name somewhere, maybe on social media, you're scrolling down. It doesn't have to be their profile, but yes, somebody who names exactly as your person. Maybe you're gonna start seeing the colors your person really loves wearing. Maybe you're gonna start smelling the perfume that they use, the scent that they use. So it's going to be a lot of synchronicity which is going to guide you towards that specific someone if they are trying to communicate to you through dreams and messages. So be open to that. But at the same time, it's all going to start as you work on your fears, as you work on your doubts, as you pull yourself out of the sadness. You will see that yes, they are coming back. They are wishing to be back with you. They want to be with you. You will see that the divine is going to bring you back together. But at the same time, there are some things that you really need to leave behind, the concerns, the sadness, the anxiety, when, why, this, that. Stop all of it. Know that you are worthy of love. Know that you can have everything that you desire in your life. But yes, before you could have that all, you need to stop crying over spilt milk. You need to stop wasting your time and energy thinking about the things that didn't work. What can be done now onward? Focus on those things. Let's see more cards here. I do see that there will be some sort of slow moving energies happening in your love life. But again, as you start seeing the synchronicity, it will motivate you enough to go further into that direction. Why? Because maybe you are not communicating to your person just yet. Maybe you want to reconcile with them, but at the same time, um, right now you don't see any movement forward. Maybe that's going to bother you, but at the same time, if you could see any synchronicity, maybe repetitive numbers, angel numbers, feathers, white thread, white birds, butterflies, if you see any of these signs, you should know that you're on the right path. But yes, you need to keep yourself positive. You need to keep believing that something beautiful is going to come out of the situation. Be open to receive messages from your person. I feel like your person might be choosing to communicate to you indirectly about their true feelings. So just be open to that. The divine is going to help you with the current situation. Just stay open to receive that help. The justice will be served in the situation. Try to keep yourself stable from within and clear in your mind what is it that you truly desire, and you shall get whatever you want. You have to act very stable, mature in this current situation. You cannot take things lightly to the point where you act as if it's you basically have to deal with things as a mature person who knows they can have it all. Like you are not independent. You are not dependent on anyone. You are independent. You can make things work. You are the powerful being who can make things work in your favor, no matter what the current circumstances seems like. Once you change your thoughts, you change your reality. That's the way to go about it. And everything is going to work out well for you in your love life as well. Maybe right now your person is not giving you enough attention, time, and that is bothering you right now. But again, this is not going to last forever. Whatever you desire with your person, let's take one card for you, the energy of your person towards you. Let's see what is it that they have to, that they feel for you. Let's take one card from the middle of the deck. Slowly but surely their feelings are definitely getting stronger. That's the reason why they will be showing up in your dreams. You know, you might be seeing your person in your dreams. So yeah, let's see more messages. If you think that you are still struggling, you need some help, guidance from heavens. You can meditate. You can seek guidance through dreams as well, by meditating before you fall asleep. Seek guidance from the heavens as well. Try not to overthink, overindulge into thinking negative around the current situation. Try to seek guidance, and the justice will be again given. We do have the justice card coming again. So it's more like you really have to believe that something beautiful is going to come out of the situation. Try to have faith in that. The love that you seek is all yours. Just that you have to believe in that. Be clear that you have to be kind to yourself. You cannot be like, getting critical about yourself in any way. Try to believe in the miracles. A new romantic cycle will begin, but yes, for that you really have to believe in that. Hold your vision. Whatever you desire, you can definitely have it. All you got to do is believe in that. A time for healing. It's very important for you to heal yourself as well, especially if you're sad around whatever has happened. Just forget about that. Just know that something beautiful can be done in the given circumstances as well. You can have a reconciliation. You can patch up with them. You can have a new person coming in your love life, but that will need you to fight your own inner demons. Once you have done that, you can have it all. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If it helped you, do like, share, and subscribe till I do the next read for you guys. Take care. Bye.